Forget starting an AI automation agency. Forget building autonomous agents. Neither of those actually works for beginners in 2026. Today, I'm showing you 7 AI side hustles that real people are using to make real money right now. Every single one is beginner-friendly. Every single one is tried and tested. And several of them I've used myself to build a full-time online business over the past 20 years. Stick around to the end, because the 7th one is how I built a side income stream that pays me every single month on complete autopilot, and almost nobody talks about it. Let's get into it. The first side hustle is rebuilding and redesigning websites. Every local business needs a solid website, but most of them look like they were built in 2012. Plumbers, accountants, dentists, you name it. And here's the good news. You don't need to be a developer anymore to fix that. You can use vibe coding tools like Claude Design or Google Stitch to generate clean, modern websites in minutes. Here's a quick real-world example. One of my own clients had a completely outdated site. We rebuilt it using Claude Design, and it now looks fresh, modern, and professional. The whole thing was done by simply asking AI to handle the redesign. If you don't have clients yet, that's fine. Use these tools to practice. Build a small portfolio with 3 or 4 sample redesigns. Then list your services on Fiverr or Upwork. Check what other freelancers are charging, offer better prices, and promise faster turnarounds. That's how you stand out when you're just starting out. Here's a smart way to land your first paying client. Find a local business with an outdated website, generate a stunning mockup using AI, and email them the redesign as a direct pitch. When they say yes, you charge a flat fee of around $500 to $1,000, and you can finish the work in a fraction of the time it used to take. The AI does the heavy lifting, so you can focus on finding clients and stacking up reviews. People are quietly making thousands of dollars a month doing exactly this. The second side hustle is creating and selling digital products on platforms like Gumroad and Etsy. This is one of my favorite passive income streams because you build the product once and you can sell it forever. You can use AI to create planners, budgeting spreadsheets, prompt libraries, or niche guides that solve a specific problem. A great real example is Travis Nicholson, who shared a case study on Medium about selling AI prompts for image and video generation on Gumroad. That simple store brings him over $3,000 a month. Here's the trick most beginners miss. Listing your product on a marketplace isn't enough. You have to drive your own traffic to the listing. Write related articles on Medium or Reddit. Post short-form videos on Instagram and TikTok showing your product in action. Find a specific niche, build a high-quality resource, and let free social media traffic do the rest. It takes a couple of months to build momentum, but once it's running, it pays you while you sleep. The third side hustle is offering AI SEO services. Search engine optimization is still in massive demand because it brings free, recurring traffic to a business's website. And with AI in the mix, you can now do the work in a fraction of the time it used to take. You can use AI tools to handle keyword research, optimize website copy, write meta descriptions, and outline detailed blog posts. If you take the time to learn the fundamentals properly, you can charge businesses a monthly retainer to manage their SEO from start to finish. This is actually how I started my own online business 20 years ago, and it's still one of my biggest income streams today. If you want to learn the skill properly, our digital marketing course at ReliableSoft Academy teaches you everything from the ground up, from building the skills to landing your first clients, even if you're starting from zero. The link is in the description below. Once you have the skills, the way to attract clients is to create your own content. Start a blog, post tips on TikTok, share marketing strategies on Instagram. When business owners see your content ranking and your videos pulling views, they'll naturally want you to do the same thing for them. Most SEO retainers run between $500 and $2,000 a month per client. With AI speeding up the work, managing 5 or 6 clients part-time is completely realistic. The fourth side hustle is creating and selling online courses with AI. I've been selling courses for years, and despite the rise of AI chatbots, the demand for structured, high-quality courses is still massive. People want a clear path from where they are to where they want to be, and a good course gives them exactly that. The key here is to find topics that people are actively searching for, or skills that solve a real, painful problem. You probably already have a topic you're passionate about, or something you're genuinely good at. Start by researching what people in your niche are searching for and what they're struggling with. Then use AI tools like Claude to outline your curriculum and write your video scripts. If you don't want to be on camera, you can use tools like Hey Gen to film the course with realistic AI avatars. AI keeps everything structured and makes sure you're teaching the material in a clear, step-by-step way. Once your course is ready, you can sell it on your own website or publish it on a marketplace like Udemy. Udemy is particularly good for beginners because it has millions of active students and brings the traffic directly to you. You earn every time someone enrolls, and it positions you as an authority in your field. Pick a real problem, build the solution, and you've got a digital asset that can pay you for years. Before we move on, quick favor. If you're getting value from this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so we can keep making content like this. Thanks. The fifth side hustle is AI video editing and production. Video editing is traditionally tedious and time-consuming, which is exactly why it pays so well. Creators and brands are constantly looking for editors who can deliver quickly without dropping the quality. You can use tools like Claude Code combined with hyperframes to automate professional motion graphics and complex overlays. You can also use HeyGen to create high-quality AI-generated videos or localized marketing content for brands. Then you package those skills and sell video production services to small businesses, or pick up freelance clients on Upwork and Fiverr. Here's where the numbers get interesting. According to recent industry data, experienced freelance YouTube editors are charging between $200 and $600 per finished video, or $50 to $100 an hour for retention editing. The real opportunity, though, is monthly retainers, where you handle a creator's full editing workload for a fixed fee. And because you're using AI to handle the most tedious parts of the process, you can serve more clients in the same number of hours than a traditional editor ever could. That's how you push your income up without burning out. The sixth side hustle is making money directly on YouTube. Creating long-form content is still one of the most reliable ways to build a real audience and a serious income online. The key here isn't chasing viral ideas. The key is creating content based on what people are actually searching for on Google and YouTube. When you build tutorials, reviews, and how-to guides around specific search terms, you're creating evergreen content. That means your videos keep getting views months and even years after you publish them, because people are always searching for those answers. Over time, this creates a steady, reliable flow of traffic to your channel. You can earn money through ad revenue once you join the YouTube Partner Program, through affiliate links in your descriptions, or by selling your own digital products and courses to your audience. We have a dedicated content creator course that walks you through this entire process step by step, and the link is in the description if you want to dig deeper. The core idea here is consistency and quality. Use AI to speed up your research, outline your videos, and write your scripts. Then put your energy into making great long-form content and let the YouTube search engine do the heavy lifting to find your audience. It takes time to build momentum, but the payoff is massive. The seventh and final side hustle is creating free AI tools and earning money from ads. This is one of my absolute favorites, and it's the one I teased at the start. Last year, this strategy generated more than 600,000 free visits from Google alone to our tools. That brought us hundreds of new email subscribers and brand new students for our courses. Here's how it works. You find simple tools that people are actively searching for every single day. Things like a word counter, a hashtag generator, an AI prompt builder, whatever fits your niche. Then you use AI coding assistants like Claude or ChatGPT to actually write the code for you. You host these tools on your own website, and you pull in organic search traffic plus referral traffic from AI chatbots that link out to your tools. The key to making this work isn't building one tool. It's building many tools, all connected around a specific topic. That builds topical authority in Google's eyes, and your traffic compounds over time. A pro tip to maximize your ad revenue: build a free version of a tool that other companies are charging money for. People will choose your free version every single time. If this sounds confusing, don't worry. Anyone can do this, even if you don't know how to code, and even if you've never done SEO. We cover the exact process inside our AI Traffic Mastery course, and the link is in the description below. Once your free tool starts ranking on page 1 of Google, thousands of people visit your site every month. You monetize that free traffic by displaying ads or promoting relevant affiliate products right on the tool page. It takes some upfront work to build it, but once it ranks, it can generate income around the clock. So there you have it, 7 realistic AI side hustles you can actually start this week. No agency, no automated empire, no overhyped strategy. Just real, beginner-friendly hustles that real people are using to make real money in 2026. Pick the one that matches your current skills, your interests, or just the one that excites you most. Use the AI tools to multiply your output. Stay consistent, and the results will follow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.